What are you doing now?
I'm just relaxing at home and studying a little.
How was your day yesterday?
It was busy but productive.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to school, work, and then stayed at home.
Did you meet your friends yesterday?
No, I didn't. They were also busy.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a few close friends.
What do you usually do with your friends?
We talk, study, and sometimes go out together.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I will study and maybe meet a friend.
Do you like planning your day?
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
What do you usually eat every day?
I usually eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes meat.
What is your favorite food?
I really like pizza and traditional food.
Do you cook by yourself?
Yes, simple meals only.
What do you drink every day?
Mostly water and sometimes tea.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, but I drink it sometimes, not every day.
What is your favorite hobby?
I like reading books and listening to music.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies in my free time.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies.
What do you hate or dislike?
I don't like waking up late and wasting time.
Do you like social media?
Yes, but I try to use it less.
How is your family?
My family is fine and healthy.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
What do you do with your family?
We eat together and talk in the evening.
Are you busy these days?
Yes, a little bit busy with study at work.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and review my lessons.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I try to sleep early every day.
Why do you sleep early?
To stay healthy and fresh.
What are your future plans?
I want to improve my English and get a better job.
Do you think English is important?
Yes, very important for my future.
Are you improving now?
Yes, I feel better every day.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
What did you eat this morning?
I ate bread and drank tea.
Do you make your own breakfast?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Are you going out today?
Yes, I'm going to the market.
Why are you going there?
I need to buy some vegetables and fruit.
Do you go shopping every day?
No, I go 2 times a week.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have one close friend.
What do you usually do together?
We talk and sometimes study together.
Did you see your friend yesterday?
No, I didn't see them yesterday.
What is your favorite food?
I like rice and chicken.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, a little bit.
What do you drink every day?
I drink water and sometimes tea.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, but I drink it sometimes.
What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music and rest.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes in the evening.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read simple books.
Do you go to school or work?
I go to school.